Ultimate comfort with pajama pants. Pajama pants offer the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Made from soft, breathable fabrics, they ensure a cozy fit for lounging or sleeping. With features like adjustable waistbands and spacious pockets, they provide practicality without compromising style. Versatile and durable, pajama pants are a must-have for relaxation and ease. There are many products available to choose pajama pant, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pajama pant from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Essentials Men's Flannel Pajama Pant. Relaxed fit sleep pants for ultimate comfort. Our relaxed fit sleep pants are designed with comfort in mind, offering a generous cut through the hips, thighs, and legs. The relaxed silhouette ensures you have plenty of room to move and breathe, making them perfect for a restful night's sleep or lounging around the house. Sitting just below the waist, they provide a comfortable fit that adapts to your body. Crafted from softly brushed flannel, these pants are made from 100% brushed cotton, offering a cozy, breathable feel that lasts. The tightly woven fabric is soft to the touch and built to endure, ensuring long-lasting comfort. Ideal for unwinding after a long day, these pants pair perfectly with Amazon Essentials men's slippers for a complete set of cozy essentials. The elastic waistband with a drawcord allows for a customizable fit, while the button-fly closure adds a classic touch. Convenient side pockets are also included, so you can easily store small items while relaxing. Inseam length is 30.5 inches for a medium size, making these pants the perfect addition to your loungewear collection. Number 2. Real Essentials 3-Pack Men's Pajama Pants. Comfortable and stylish. Men's pajama pants. These men's pajama pants are the ideal combination of style and comfort, making them perfect for both sleeping and lounging at home. Whether you're unwinding after a busy day or enjoying a lazy weekend, these pants offer the perfect blend of elegance and relaxation. Designed with an elastic waistband and an adjustable drawstring, these pajama pants ensure a customizable fit that adapts to your body. The lack of a button fly adds to their simplicity, making them even more comfortable for easy wear. Convenient side pockets are included, offering a handy place to keep small essentials like your phone or wallet close by. Made from soft, breathable cotton, these pajama pants are lightweight and gentle on the skin, providing all-night comfort. The smooth fabric feels cozy against your body, making them an excellent choice for a restful night's sleep or lounging around in style. These pajama pants make an excellent gift for any occasion. Whether it's for your dad, husband, brother, or friend, they're a thoughtful and practical present that will be appreciated by anyone who enjoys comfort and relaxation. Number 3. La Passum Men's Pajama Pants. Cozy and comfortable. Men's pajama pants crafted from 100% brushed cotton. These premium flannel pajama pants offer the perfect mix of comfort and durability. The soft, warm fabric delivers a cozy, natural feel that ensures you stay comfortable through all seasons. Whether it's lounging at home or getting a restful night's sleep, these versatile pants are an essential addition to any men's sleepwear collection. Designed with comfort in mind, these pajama pants feature an elastic waistband and an adjustable drawstring for a personalized fit. This flexible design allows you to find the perfect snugness, eliminating discomfort from restrictive waistbands while providing all the relaxation you need. Functionality is key with these pants, as they come with spacious side pockets to store your essentials like your phone, keys, or remote control. Plus, a hidden flap with a button ensures easy access without any hassle. Slip into these pajama pants for unmatched comfort, whether you're lounging around or catching up on sleep. Their softness and freedom of movement make them the ultimate choice for relaxation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These flannel pajama pants make an excellent present for anyone who enjoys comfort. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just as a way to show you care. They're sure to be appreciated for years to come. Number 4. DG Hill 1-Pack or 3-Pack Men's PJ Pajama Pants. Soft and cozy men's pajama pants. DG Hill men's pajama pants are crafted from high-quality flannel, known for its soft texture that feels gentle against the skin. These pajama bottoms retain heat while remaining breathable, making them perfect for chilly nights. The moisture-wicking fabric helps keep you dry without causing overheating, providing the ideal balance of warmth and comfort. The classic button fly closure, combined with an elastic waistband and adjustable drawstring, offers a customizable fit for easy movement. The added pockets make these pajama pants both practical and functional, allowing you to store small items like your phone or remote while lounging. Available in sizes extra small to 2 extra large, these fleece pajama pants cater to a wide range of body types, ensuring a comfortable fit for relaxing at home or enjoying a cozy day indoors. With stylish plaid or checkered designs, you can express your personal style while staying warm and comfortable. Machine washable and durable, these pajamas are perfect for lounging or as a thoughtful gift. For a more relaxed fit, consider sizing up. Number 5. Jupiter Secret men's pajama pants. Comfortable and versatile men's pajama pants. Crafted from lightweight, breathable cotton, our men's pajama pants offer ultimate comfort and warmth. The soft fabric feels gentle against the skin, ensuring a cozy experience throughout the night. Thanks to their moisture-wicking properties, these pajama pants keep you feeling fresh and dry, making them perfect for any season. Designed with practicality in mind, these pajama pants feature deep side pockets, ideal for holding essentials like your phone or keys. An elastic waistband, paired with durable, adjustable drawstrings, provides a secure, customizable fit for all body types. The high-quality materials ensure long-lasting use, so you can count on these pants for everyday wear. Perfect for lounging, sleeping, or casual activities, these pajama pants are a versatile wardrobe addition. Their classic style and neutral colors make them suitable for all occasions, while the easy care fabric retains its shape and vibrancy after repeated washes. Treat yourself and your family to comfort and style. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information, or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.